Mommy. Yeah. Stupid rain. You awake, Tempest? That's what I thought. Okay, let's start the training. Smoke bomb testing number 37. Actually, it's 307. Nobody's counting. Alright, Vampos. Well, actually, you're counting, dude. You're just counting wrong. Alright, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! What? What? Yeah, dude. Who you're... And now you did the exact same thing as me, bro. Oh yeah? Well, yours was less fabulous, and mine was very fabulous. Fabulous. Hey, a light bulb. Dude, this fabulous thing's like getting so on my nerves. Hey. Rain? Water? What? Hey, Glowbirds. What is it you on? My arm. Shut up. I think it's raining, dude. Ha 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 ha. It's 100% not raining. There's no factual evidence that it's raining. I mean, there are like water chips and it's on the floor, man. That's little to no evidence, my friend. You're just being anti-fabulous. I need water. Well, should we at least try to find shelter just in case I'm right? You know, even there's a 1.0000000000000% chance that your unfabulousness self is right. I have an idea. How about we find shelter? Yeah, man, I mean, look, the droplets, they're multiplying, dude. Fine. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh no! What is it? I think it's raining! Bro. I've never seen rain before. There's one. I've never been outside to see rain before. There's one. Oh my god. I remember those ninjas. They saw rain before. And I never seen rain before. But rain, it seems like a fascinating thing to live in. But I'm wondering if rain is actually habitable. Is it actually? It's. You said out right there. You said I get it. Rain. Ouch! Ah, gosh! Ouch! Get some shelter. Dude, like, the rain's like messing up my flying powers, dude. It's not powers, it's wings, you unfabulous idiot. So many drops. So much pain. So much loss. It's ugly. It's oogly. By the way, what happened to Boogly, man? But the Boogly? But Boogly, where are you, Boogly? Oh no! You don't think the rain got Boogly? No, it's just impossible. I can't. No. Like, I highly doubt that, man. But whatever floats your boat. What floats my boat is that we get out of this raining weather. Come on. Well, Glowbert. I'm okay. Like, dude, I think I found a shelter under the rain. I mean, yeah. Ouch. There it is, dude. Hey, like I found the shelter under the rain. I am so smart. Ow, ow, man, like, ouch. This rain's like, ow, ow. This rain's like really hurting, dude. Get out of the shelter. I can't see. Oh, huh? It's dry over here. Wait, when I cross this. Hey, Mr. I'm fabulous. I found the perfect spot. How are you going over there? Huh? How you going? This is a good spot. Get fine. Yeah. Ouch! 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 Say it. Go ahead. You're right. Whatever.